Namaskar. This is the General Overseas Service of All India Radio, welcoming listeners in East, West, and Northwest Africa and West Europe and the United Kingdom. For listeners in East Africa, we are beaming this service on 11,945 kHz on the 25 meter band, 7,400 kHz on the 41 meter band, and 9,415 kHz on the 31 meter band. Our West and Northwest African listeners can tune into us on 9,445 kHz on the 31 meter band, 7,410 kHz on the 41 meter band, and 6,120 kHz on the 49 meter band. Listeners in West Europe and the United Kingdom can listen to us on 7,550 kHz on the 41 meter band, 620 kHz on the 49 meter band, and 9,950 kHz on the 31 meter band. We begin the transmission with our program of devotional music, in which you will listen to Bhajan by Lata Mangeshkar.
तेरी जय हो तेरी